to you. My wife, she doesn't contribute a dime to anything that has to do with this house. I'm telling you, and I don't want any negative comments from her, so please, I'd rather not ask, okay? Let me call you back, bro. My wife just stepped in. Alright.
Who was that? Were you just talking about me? Why?
First off, welcome home, honey. I was just talking to my childhood friend, trying to raise up some money. I'm trying to borrow. So yeah.
Well, you better do something. Because my daughter and I will not be living under the bridge, okay? Besides, you didn't cook, why? Huh? So you expect me to go out all day and come back and cook for you, really?
I'm sorry. It skipped my mind. I've been so troubled throughout today trying to figure out a way to raise money for our rent and also look for another job. I totally didn't even remember to cook anything. I haven't even eaten since yesterday.
Well, if you ask me, that sounds like a you problem, not mine. Your child and me, I'm hungry. We are hungry, for goodness sake. Cook! At least be useful with one thing. You can't cook, you can't make money. Nonsense.
Hey honey.
Hello.
Please, can you use your app to buy the electricity unit?
Oh yeah, it's true. I noticed it has finished.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay, why don't I transfer the money to your account, then you recharge it?
Okay. But you're sending the money to me?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'll transfer it to you, of course.
Okay.
Alright. Jimmy. Hello, Jimmy. How are you? Yeah, great. Yeah, the downsizing starts on Monday. This is an inside information gotten from the HR. Come on, relax, buddy. You already know the drill now. The company will not kick out staffs that are assets to them, and you happen to be an asset. So, relax, okay? Catch some sleep. You're good. See you at work on Monday, alright? Relax. Alright, buddy. Have a nice one. Yeah.
There is downsizing at your workplace?
Yeah, baby. Unfortunately, there is.
But I'm sure nothing will happen to you though. The company cannot afford to lose you. You are the rock of that company.
Nah, I can't be affected. I mean, it's a no-brainer. I do my job perfectly. Plus, I do other people's work in the company still, and I don't mean to brag though, but I'm the staff with the most award in the company, so nah, I can't be affected.
But why do I feel like you'll be promoted after this? I feel like when they do the downsizing, there will be more responsibilities. Hence the promotion.
Yeah, well, I hope so, but I don't know. But I hope so.
That means they will kill you with work. The pay better be worth it.
What can I say? It's just my nature. Especially when I'm idle, I just have to keep myself busy.
They better pay you well, though. They better pay you.
How you doing?
See.
Worry too much. Come here. My fine baby. My sweetheart.
Sweetie.
Hey, baby.
Hey, my love. Here's the list.
Oh.
I want to go to market now.
Okay, so how much is all of this gonna cost?
230,000.
230.
I need to stock up the house.
Alright. I'll transfer it right away.
Okay. Sweetie, you can just make it 300 since I'll be buying more meat. We don't have any meat in the house. No meat, no fish, no dry fish, nothing, and it's not on the list.
Alright. 300 coming right up.
Okay. Sweetie.
Hmm?
I was thinking maybe I should go to the salon. I want to wash my hair.
Or you want to?
I want to.
Alright, I got you.
Thank you, baby.
Done.
How much did you send?
You know with your phone?
No.
Okay. I sent 1 million.
What?
I sent 1 million. You can just use it to whatever, anything else. You're welcome. You're welcome.
I do.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Anything for my baby, right?
So I'm going to stock up on fruits, clothes, and other things. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
My love, are you forgetting something?
No, am I?
Yeah, last week you asked me to buy something. It's 30,000 naira. You've not sent it back to me. So you're owing me 30,000.
You say what? Can you just repeat what you just said now?
I said you're owing...
And you want to repeat it? My God. My sister, have conscience, please.
Stop, Joe.
No.
I love you.
No. Just have conscience. That's all I have.
See? Thank you, baby.
Have conscience. No. Have conscience. No.
I am so happy for you. Congratulations. Welcome to the married gang. Yeah. So, have you guys talked? You know, you're supposed to lay down your pros and cons to your husband. That way, when you start this marriage life now, everything will go smoothly. Exactly. I did same with my husband. He understands and respects that. You're welcome. So when am I picking up the ashwabi? You changed it to emerald green? I I thought we agreed on sky blue. Babe, your indecisiveness is killing me. You... the date as well? No, you said we're supposed to pick up on the 1st. So now it's on the 7th. Oh, sorry, babe, can I call you back? Yeah, sure, I will. This man is back and he's not inside.
My love. Baby. Are you okay?
I'm finished.
What is this? What happened?
My company. They fired me.
What? How?
I don't even know. I don't even know where to start from right now, like.
I hope it's not the downsizing you told me about.
They said that my salary was too big. So they had to replace me with my subordinate. Can you imagine that? My subordinate.
The same person you taught? Baby boy, I told you now. I told you, don't teach these people everything. I told you, we told some information, but you didn't listen.
What am I going to do? What am I supposed to do? It's part of my job description. Literally, it's my job to teach him.
Okay, maybe they can reduce the salary. Did you talk to them about that?
No.
Hey! They don't want to bring it down. They just want you to go like that. Just like that. Just like that. Eh?
Mommy, I can't believe they would fire my husband. Mom, after all the contributions, after all the efforts, after all the awards they gave him, they still fired him. I don't know. I've asked him and he's not saying anything. Maybe when he calms down, I'll try and talk to him again. Mommy, did you think I should call the company and maybe beg them and know what's happening? Yes, I want to beg them. Mom, you don't understand. This man has tried his best. He has given his best to this company and I should ask him, right? Okay, but maybe I would also call the company to know what's happening and probably beg them. They would listen to me. Mom, I'm worried. I'm really, really worried. I don't even know how we're going to cope. I'm worried. Mommy, we need your prayers, please. We need your prayers. Mom, please. Okay. Let me just ask him what's going on. All right, Mommy. Okay. Let me just ask him. I told him this thing. Don't train these people. Don't tell them everything you know. But he didn't listen to me. He didn't listen. Do you know that the same person they replaced him with is the same person he trained? That's even the one that is spinning me out of everything because it's not like I didn't tell him. I don't know why men, when you tell them things and use your instinct as a woman to tell them this is what they should do, they just feel like maybe because they are men, they can do whatever they want to do. I don't just know what to do, honestly. At this point, I'm really, really tired. I don't know how we're going to run this home. I don't just understand anything at all. Exactly. Like, how are we going to be feeding? The accommodation, everything. My dear, this whole thing just falls on my shoulder now and it's beginning to bother me. You think so? Eh. Well, it's not bad though, but don't you think I'm supposed to be supporting him as his wife? It's true.
It's true. Yeah. I think the best thing to do right now is to maybe add more pressure. If I mount pressure on him, he would go out, he will be up and doing, because all this dulling and staying at home is what I don't know if I can condone. No. Eh, yeah. Then, exactly, he should be the one providing. Even God said that a man that cannot take care of his family is worse than an infidel. How can I submit to someone that cannot take care of me? It makes submission hard now. Right? That's what I would do. That's the best thing to do, my dear. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you for always being there for me. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Okay.
Just as my friend Shadi said, if I contribute now, it will continue. What happened with my ex will repeat itself.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm okay, Mama.
You sure? Everything is good?
Yeah.
My beautiful angel. So, I was, wondering if you could lend me some money for something. It's just...
Hey, please. I don't want to hear about it. I don't have.
Babe,
I don't have.
I'm not done talking, babe.
Okay, you have to hurry up, okay? So you don't miss the school bus.
Okay, Mom.
Did you pray?
Sorry.
It's okay, Mama. This thing will be hard though. It will be very, very hard. So you're trying to tell me that you're sleeping while I go out to hustle?
Babe.
What do I know?
Come on, babe. What are you talking about? I couldn't sleep all through the night due to my predicament. I was only able to sleep this morning by 5 a.m.
All I'm saying is you have bills to be paid. You have bills and you can't afford to be sleeping. It's shameful, oh. It's shameful that the man of the house is on his bed while the wife is going out. Look at it now. It's not balanced. It doesn't look balanced.
What? And what's that supposed to mean? Huh? At this one. Ever since we got married, have you ever contributed a dime to the affairs of this house?
No, because you are the man of the house.
I am the man of the house. Since we got married, have you ever bought even salt or pepper? I give you money for everything, down to water.
So now you want to start
I
counting
have
scores?
not finished. You don't contribute 1 naira, but yet you have a job. You work. Have I ever asked you how much you earn?
Because
Or
it's
how much or what you do with your money?
because it's my money. Oh, so now you want to start counting everything you've done for me as a man? Is that it?
I am not counting anything.
Are you trying to say that it's me that's finishing all your money?
Of course, who else is finishing my money?
Oh, really?
What is really? Who else, if not you?
You're the man of the house.
And I am not disputing that fact. I have been shouldering my responsibility, but unfortunately, I lost my job, which I wasn't expecting. And as it stands now, I do not even have any savings in my account because I've been running this house since God knows how long.
Were you expecting me to be the one to be running the house?
I am not complaining. All I'm saying is cut me some slacks, please. Gosh.
So you're trying to say now that all your money you don't even have, even if it's 10 naira anywhere. You don't have any savings, no matter how small. It's now my fault. Better take your shower and go outside and go and start looking for a job, because me, I'm not about to raise a grown man.
You said we are one, but you know it. All along, oh nada. I give you my all, but you give me nothing. All along, oh my word. When the going gets good, you smile, but when the going gets hard, you frown. Oh nada. When the going gets good, you smile, but when the going gets hard, you frown. Oh my baby, reason with me, walk with me. Oh my baby, my darling, reason with me, walk with me. Now I know that all you did, you did for a reason. Yeah. But all the same, it won't take away my love for you. Ooh. Oh my word, when the going gets good, you smile, but when the going gets hard, you frown. Oh my word, when the going gets good, you smile, but when the going gets hard, you frown. Oh my baby, reason with me, walk with me.
Mr. Jude, good day.
Good day, Mr. Tony. How are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you.
I'm only here to notify you that your rent will be due in a week's time. And we have not heard from you yet. Just take a look.
Oh, my rent, right? Oh, okay. I know. Don't worry, you will you will hear from me, okay? You have nothing to worry about. I've never owed rent before, right?
No, actually.
Exactly.
We are only sending out reminders, just as we send to other tenants.
Okay.
You know, it's due process.
I got you. Don't worry. You'll hear from us when it's time. I'll show you.
I trust you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, I should be on my way.
All right. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for coming.
Bye.
Hello, bro. Man. Oh, so you heard? My brother, I'm not going to lie to you. Those guys, they did me dirty. They fired me. I'm telling you. Like, I didn't even expect this. I didn't even see this one come. You know how, like, it just happened like, bam, like that. I was, of all people, me. I'm shocked, I won't lie. They fired me, bro. I'm telling you. I didn't even see this one coming. You know what? I didn't even expect this. I'm telling you. Honestly, I'm not coping well. How am I supposed to be coping? I'm not coping well. Like I said, I never saw this one coming. So it just took me like, boom, like that. And you know the worst thing? My rent is up in a few days. I have to pay. If I can just get where to borrow some money now so I can pay for my rent, I'll be super glad. I don't even mind paying some extra interest on top of it. My wife. Just leave her out of this, okay? Just leave her. I don't want to involve her in this. It's my responsibility. So I'll take care of it, okay? Yeah. It's well. It's well. Honestly, it's heavy on me. I'm not even going to lie. I'm not even going to act like nothing happened. Something big actually happened. It's really big. It's too big.
Hello, Mama. Good afternoon, Ma. Yes, I'm just coming back now. I didn't forget. You said you wanted money for your friend's daughter's Ashebi, right? I'll send it. Don't worry. Alright, Ma. You're welcome. Thank you, Mama.
One thing is for sure. I will do my best to provide a roof over my child's head. That's my responsibility. Yeah. All I need right now is just a soft loan, man. I'm not going to lie. I need this money to pay my rent. If I can get this rent money, I know I have solved 50% of my problem. Then I'll start looking for a job, even if it's freelancing. I don't mind, you know? Okay. Bro, honestly, I'm not going to lie to you. My wife, she doesn't contribute a dime to anything that has to do with this house. I'm telling you, and I don't want any negative comments from her, so please, I'd rather not ask, okay? Let me call you back, bro. My wife just stepped in. Alright.
Who was that? Were you just talking about me? Why?
First off, welcome home, honey. I was just talking to my childhood friend, trying to raise up some money. I'm trying to borrow. So yeah.
Well, you better do something. Because my daughter and I will not be living under the bridge, okay? Besides, you didn't cook, why? Huh? So you expect me to go out all day and come back and cook for you, really?
I'm sorry. It skipped my mind. I've been so troubled throughout today trying to figure out a way to raise money for our rent and also look for another job. I totally didn't even remember to cook anything. I haven't even eaten since yesterday.
Well, if you ask me, that sounds like a you problem, not mine. Your child and me, I'm hungry. We are hungry, for goodness sake. Cook! At least be useful with one thing. You can't cook, you can't make money. Nonsense.
Yeah, bro. Please, man, I'm begging you. If you can help me with this money, I will appreciate it. Please. I will definitely pay back. You know I don't used to owe. It's just money. I need the money for my rent. Please, I will definitely pay back. You know me now, I don't owe. Eh? Please. Remember I have a child to take care of. Please. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. I'll call you back in 2 days' time, okay? Okay, thank you, bro.
You said we are one, but you know with me all along, all along. Oh, nah, nah. I give you my all, but you give me nothing. All along, all along.
What is it?
Have you been able to collect the loan from your friend?
No.
Wait, let me ask you. You just lost your job. How is it that you are now borrowing money? Does it mean that you don't have any savings at all?
Adesua, since we got married, I have taken full responsibilities of everything that has to do with this house. Everything. I pay the bills. I pay school fees, medical fees, whatever. I take full responsibilities. On top of that, I still send money to our parents. Few months ago, I made an investment, courtesy of you. And that investment went down the drain. Should I remind you of the amount that was put into it?
So, I brought up an idea. I told you this is what you're supposed to do. You doing it is your choice. The investment going down the drain has absolutely nothing to do with me.
Adesua, please, please, I am not in the mood for this. I am seriously tired and drained. I would like to catch some sleep.
Well, that's the only thing you can catch freely. Sleep.
Adesua.
That's the only thing you can do now.
Adesua.
Someone has to say the truth. That's the only thing you can catch now. Sleep. That's the only thing. Sleep, no problem. You're blaming me. Single investment you could not achieve. Savings you don't have. Nothing. You don't. Only sleep, then you know. Sleep. Now it's my fault that you invested and the money went down the drain.
I'm just so tired and disappointed. Like, nothing positive came out of today's job hunt. Yeah. I just got to the house now. Alright, we'll talk some other time. Thanks for checking in, okay? Alright, bye.
Baby, what is even wrong with you? What's going on? Every day the same news. Every day, no change. You're a first-class graduate. A graduate for that matter. Why is it so hard for you to get a job? Why? See, my love, if your plan is for me to run this house, you lie, oh. You lie because I am not going to run this house. If your plan is for me to be the one taking care of you, taking care of our child, paying rent and everything, you lie because I don't have the money. So it's time for you to get up and man up to your responsibilities. So you want to go out and be the mad woman you left at home is talking, right? Fine, if you like, travel to Sokoto. As long as I'm concerned, you still come back and do what you're supposed to do. Man.
That all you did for a reason. Yeah. But all the same, it won't take away my love for you. Oh my word, when the going gets good, you smile. But when the going gets hard, you cry.
Mr. Jude, good day, sir.
What is going on, Mr. Tony? What is going on? Huh?
Mr. Jude, please, I beg you. Please give me some time. You know I've never owed rent.
Wait. Huh? Rent is not paid with begging. It's not paid with pleading at all. Every responsible tenant knows that you plan your rent ahead. You plan before it expires. Huh? We cannot take this at all. It's not acceptable. This is very, very unacceptable. Especially now that you are jobless.
Is that what this is all about?
Yes! Everybody knows we only give out our property to tenants who work in specific fields. And we made this thing clear to you from the onset so that you won't come up another day and say that you are not unaware.
No, Mr. Caretaker. I can renew it and I will renew it. It's just that I'm going through trying time. Come on, you're a man like myself. You should understand.
What kind of understanding are you talking about? That understanding should be between you and your family. Your wife is working. She should help you at this trying time. Why are you husband and wife? Eh? Is she not supposed to be your helpmate? See, this is your quit notice. You are not eligible to live in this building anymore. Take it from me first. Take it. It's a quit notice. Yes. Young man, do well to vacate these premises on or before the date as inscribed in this notice. Good day, Mr. Tony.
Mr. Jude.
What kind of nonsense is
we
this?
just talk about this?
What kind of nonsense is this?
Mr. Jude.
You want because you in fact, don't let me come back again.
My love. Welcome. How are you?
Thank you. Fine.
Hope went well. Hope everything went well. Baby, look at this. Baby, can you imagine? Mr. Jude came here today. He served us quick notice and he said,
I'm sorry, Tony. He served you quick notice, not us. Besides, why are you telling me? What do you want me to do?
baby, please, I was hoping you could borrow me the money for rent so that we can pay for the rent. I'll pay you back once I bounce back. I promise.
Hey, it's bold of you to assume I have it because I don't. I don't have it. And how do you intend to pay me back if I give you the money? The last time I checked, you've been going out and there's no positive results. So?
Come on, babe, why are you talking like this? You know, once I get a job, you will know.
Why are you begging me?
It's for our rent, too. We are all living in this house. It's for the rent.
So?
Please.
I don't have it.
Adesua, why are you like this? Why are you like this? You have money. You have savings. Because you don't contribute to anything in this house. What else do you do with your money?
Oga, take Mike and announce to the whole world that you've been the one taking care of me.
Sorry. Please. If you can just give it to me as a loan. Put whatever percentage you want to put. I will pay back once I bounce back. It's not a problem. Please just help me out here.
I don't have it. Besides, you need to stop mentioning that you're doing things for me or things that you've done in the past. Those are in the past. Shift, please.
Sorry, my sweetheart. Sorry. It's just that, the pressure.
Do you want to follow me to the toilet?
My love, we have our bath together normally. Baby, I just need to pay for this rent so I can sort out my job now. Please. My head is about to explode. I will run mad in this house. Help me, please. Hello? Michael! My man, thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. My brother, God bless you. You will never lack in this life. Thank you. I saw the money. Yes, it will go a long way. It will go a long way. I will make the deposit immediately. Hey, bro, thank you so much. Thank you. You don't know what you've done. You've just saved me. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you, brother. I appreciate it. I will update you on the outcome later, okay? Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes. Okay, sure. Bye. Hey, my God. Hey, thank God. Thank God. Thank God, dude. Thank God. Thank God. Hey, listen now. Once I pay in this one now, I know that half of my problem has been settled. God, thank you for good people. No? Thank you for good people. Baby, how are you?
Why are you disturbing the whole place? You're not sleeping. Who are you talking to?
I just got half of our rent. I'm going to be paying in the money today.
Half?
Yes.
I know your plan is for them to evict us from this house, but it will not work. So Tony, please, I am begging you, look for the remaining half and pay the landlord his money so that we can have peace.
This is what I have right now. Since you've refused to help me, what do you want me to do?
You don't have shame. You don't have shame. And please stop disturbing me. I want to sleep.
You said we are one, but you know with me all along, all along. Oh na na, I give you my all, but you give me nothing.
So, welcome to our new home, honey. This is what our money could afford, you know what I'm saying? Excuse me, sir. Sorry. This is the bedroom. That's the kitchen. This is the balcony. She closed. Yeah, can go play. I say Sandra likes it already.
Tony.
Yeah?
So we've gone from grace to grass. I don't like this place. Honestly, I don't like this place at all. This place is horrible. It's too small.
Honey, calm down now. You just got here. It's small, yes, but it's still fine. It's decent.
How?
Look at it. You'll like it eventually. Huh? You'll like it. Just... You will like it though.
Jesus Christ.
As time goes on, you will like it. Believe me honestly.
Inside this room.
One of us, we are staying here.
Inside this one room?
Yes, inside this one room. Can't you see the space?
Okay, where will Sandy sleep? Here?
Yes, we'll go sleep on the mattress. Look at it.
All of us in one room?
My sister, we are managing, 6 by 6. We'll sleep on top of the mattress. You have to manage. This is managing time. Okay? So, baby, come on. It's not bad.
Like you. I don't like this place. I cannot stay here.
This is the managing time, my sister. Don't worry. As time goes on, it will grow and you will like it.
Reason with me, work with me.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Oh, what? Central school teacher. Hello, good day. I am so sorry. I just got back from the market. I'm coming right now. I'm coming now, okay, please. Welcome home, Mama.
Thank you.
So, take your bag, So I want you to go inside, freshen up and change into something else, okay?
Okay, Daddy.
If you need any other thing, just let me know.
Okay, Daddy.
Alright?
Okay, Daddy.
I'll be in the kitchen preparing you something to eat.
Okay, Daddy.
Alright?
Love you.
Love you, Mom.
Mwah.
Love you.
Love you.
Tony, our child has been out of school for 1 week. 1 week? What kind of father are you? You're not even bothered.
Oh my goodness, Adesua, just in case it skipped your mind, I just paid for this apartment. Plus the daily spending of money on foodstuffs has finished the money that I have. Why can't you help me out for a while?
Am I the man of the house? First of all, this place is not an apartment. It's a cubicle. This place is small, so it's not an excuse. Do you understand?
Really?
You're the man of the house. You should man up to your responsibilities.
While you do what with your own money? No, tell me, what exactly do you do with your money? Huh? How can you be so unconcerned to the extent that you watch your child not go to school for a whole week? A whole week! And like, you're unbothered about it.
Who said I'm not worried? You think I'm unbothered, right? I'm worried. That's why I want you to pay the fees fast. What's your problem? Just pay the fees.
Okay, I don't have the money. You understand? I do not have the money. You have money. Pay for her school fees. I'm not the only one that gave birth to her. She's your child too.
I don't have money. I don't have.
Fine! If you're going to be comfortable watching her stay at home all day without doing anything about it, no problem. Let her be at home. As for me, I don't have money. When I have money, I will do it. But for now, I don't have money. Please, excuse me.
See, she's in my friend's house now, no. I have to go back and go and pick her, but this is not how we're going to be doing it now. Every single time I'm going to pick her from someone's house when she should be in school. You want me to pay? How do you want me to bring the money from? Where do you want me to even get the money from? I don't understand.
You said we are one, but you know what I mean. All along, all along.
Hi, Mama.
Good
Good evening, my love. How are you?
evening.
Okay, go inside and change, okay?
Okay.
Have a bag again.
You're late.
That's because I got a job today.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice. So which company? What's your position? What's the pay like?
I never mentioned that I got a job with a company. It's just a regular freelance job.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yes, really.
Okay, so for how long? How much are they going to pay you?
It's not that big, but it's manageable.
Like, mention the
Listen,
particular
I
amount.
don't want to go into details.
That means it must be really, really bad. Huh? Okay. How long will you be working with them?
I don't know yet. It's just a company that's looking for a private auditor. So I will go to work for them. Hold on, I'm coming. Good day, sir. Good day, my friend.
I am from the management in charge of this property. I have this for you.
What is this?
Go through it.
What? 60% increase for this house? I don't understand. What is the meaning of this?
Sir, you have the right to come to the office or send us via email if you have complaint about this or you feel you want to say something about it.
No, come on. Come on. This is not possible.
Excuse me, sir.
You guys are jokers. You must be joking. What is this? 60% increase for this BQ. You must be joking with me. What's going on here? Who is tormenting me? What's happening? Who did I offend? Is it my village people or something? Eh? I left the other house and came here, thought I would find peace. Now you people have come with your problem again. Can't you leave me alone? Let me breathe. Allow me to breathe. You come and drag me out of this house to give you 60% increase for this small apartment. What is the meaning of this? Huh? What is this? I don't understand. This is crazy. What does this people take me for? Do they think I pluck money from the tree or something? Huh? I'm still saying that I paid so much money for this small space and they're telling me to add 60% increase. 60% increase for what?
Well, if you want us to move, that's fine. It's actually a very good idea. I'm tired of moving around like a refugee. Honestly. The last time, I lost so many things. My pictures, my clothes, my shoes. I don't even like this place. So if you want us to move, that's fine. This time around, you should pick maybe a 4-bedroom, 5-bedroom. So that we can have enough space.
For what? Baby, I got a house. You're going to love this one. You're going to love this one. Just see.
Where is this place?
It's at Chaplain Avenue.
West side.
East side.
So what happens to Sandy's school?
Oh. And we can put her in a new school now.
I don't like the place.
Babe, wait. We can put... Babe. Jesus Christ.
Hello, Tony. Tony, please, I want you to leave everything you're doing and come home. Please, Sandy is not feeling well. What do you mean by you're working? What kind of work are you doing that you cannot come back? I'm telling you your child is not feeling fine. You're saying you're working. How much are they paying you your job that you cannot come home? I don't understand. How do you expect me to take her to the hospital when I don't have money? I don't have. Please come home. Can you imagine? How much are you...
Sandy. Mama. Sorry.
Oh, nah. You said we are one, but you know with me all along. Oh, nah. I give you my all, but you give me nothing. All alone. Oh, my word. When the going gets good, you smile.
Hope you're feeling better now, sweetie.
Yes, Dad, but the injections still hurt.
I'm sorry about that, okay?
Okay, Dad.
It will normalize very soon.
Okay, Dad.
It's just for you to feel better.
Okay, Dad.
Alright. Do you need anything?
No, I'm fine.
Are you sure? Alright. Get some rest, okay?
Okay.
I love you, sweetie.
I love you too.
Alright.
Now I know that all you did, you did for a reason. Yeah. But all the same, it won't take away my love for you. Oh.
I just want, what is wrong with you? Why didn't you take our child to the hospital? So if I didn't come back from work to take her to the hospital, you would have just left her like that in a critical condition.
Please, don't even go there, okay? You are the man of the house, right? Don't you run this house? I called you to come and fulfill your responsibilities, so what's the problem?
Very careful.
I'll just bite off your hand.
Oh, slap.
Get out soon. Get out. Noise maker.
Careful. Careful.
Broke guy.
Okay. Okay.
Girl, I am coming to shop till I drop. Oh, girl. When I tell you it's good for a woman to have her own money, better believe it. Because the kind of independence you will have, hey, nobody can tell you anything at any time. Yeah. Well, Tony, he has not gotten a job yet, so he's just juggling. Of course, he still maintains his duties now. Am I the one that's supposed to do it for him? He's the man, so he should spend all his money paying for fees, taking care of the house. That's how it's supposed to be. At least he will not have time for side chicks. Don't you know when a man has excess money, that's when he will have money to be giving all those small girls outside. But when you make sure he exhausts the money at home, he will not even have eyes for any other person. Of course.
Michael, my brother, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for always coming through for me. Thank you, I appreciate. Yeah. No, still haven't found a job yet. I'm just doing freelance work for now. What will I do now? Yeah. What? Oh, sorry. Good day. What? I should write a professional exam? Michael, come on now. Why can you, how will you be saying something like that? You know my condition right now. I have limited resources. I can't start doing that. Yeah, I know it's not going to last forever. But anyways, let's just see how it goes. I'll think about it, okay? And just thank you generally. Thank you. All right. Okay, bye. Professional exam.
Sweetie, I am a baby girl. And I'm not ready to give any man my money. Not now, not ever. I mean, as ladies, we should be taken care of, you know? A man should be the one providing, not the other way around. I'm not sure I can... can I call you back? Okay, no. Yes, sir. Hi, baby.
Hi. What do you think about me acquiring a professional qualification? Michael said it will help increase my chances of getting a good job.
Oh. You want to go for what?
A professional qualification exam. Yeah.
And it's going to cost money.
Well, obviously it will.
Make it make sense. You don't have a job. You don't have money. And you want to spend money to go and write exams. Really? I have a job. I'm doing well. And I've not even thought about educational, whatever you call it. I've not even thought of furthering my education. But you, the one without money, you want to further. Then spend all your money on exams, right?
Yeah, I just asked for your suggestion. You don't have to start insulting me.
I'm not insulting you. I'm just stating the obvious now. Do you have a job? Do you? You don't.
Come on, babe. We're just having a conversation.
Please, I beg. Anything you want to talk about now should be money. If it's not money, I'm not interested. Please, I need you to cook for our child, okay? Since you don't have a job, and you can't find one, and you can't make money either, please, make food. She's hungry, and it's very important you feed her.
All alone, oh nana. I give you my all, but you give me nothing. All alone, all alone. Oh my word, when the going gets good, you smile.
Oh, my darling, how are you? You're up already?
Yes, Dad.
Oh, hope you slept well.
Yes, Dad. Dad, I'm hungry.
Don't worry, food will soon be ready. I'm almost done, okay?
Dad, I want to help you finish up in the kitchen.
Are you serious? Are you sure?
Yes, Dad.
Oh, my baby. All right, come. Just sit down here and wait for me. I'm coming, okay? Just sit down. Yeah.
When the going gets good, you smile. But when the going gets hard, you frown. Oh my baby.
All right. You want to help, Daddy? Let's go.
Walk with me. Oh my baby. My darling. Reason with me. Walk with me. Now I know that all you need, you're the
Thank goodness you're back. I've been calling your line all day, but you refuse to pick up.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I left my phone at the reception while I was in the fitting room.
You bought all this?
Of course. Why?
You bought all this?
Yes.
And this is why you bought all this?
Yes.
Knowing our condition right now, you have money to buy all this.
Is that jealousy? Am I sensing jealousy and authority?
No, I'm just clapping for you. Well done.
It's actually your responsibility that I'm doing. When last did you get me a decent clothes? When last did you get me decent outfit? I'm simply doing what you're supposed to do. You should be happy, not throw sarcastic comments up and down. I appreciate it. Sandy, Mama! Sandy! Come, I got something for you, my baby.
Hello, Mike. I do, just there. How you doing now? What exam? Oh, the professional exam stuff. I didn't follow up again now, so I don't know about it. Yeah. Oh, they've started selling form. Okay, good for them now. Good for them. They want me to buy the form. I don't have money now. Where am I supposed to? I don't. Mike, you send money for me. Ah, Mike, guy. Are you sure about this? Wow. I don't know what to say. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Okay. Once I get the money, I'll register at once. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, man. Thank you.
Sweetie, please can you help me and bathe Sandy? I'm tired. Babe.
Yeah, my love.
I said please can you help me and bathe Sandy? I'm so tired.
Oh, babe, please. I am so hooked on this right now. I have to cover this topic before I go to bed. Please, just beat her yourself, okay?
I love you've been home all day. I'm tired. Please help me.
Baby, please now. I'm studying. You know I have an exam. I have to study, please. Okay, fine. I will do it. Just give me a minute. I said I'm coming. Just give me some time.
Hey.
Hi. The property management came earlier today while you were out. They gave me this eviction notice because I wrote to them twice to reduce the rent of the apartment.
Why would you do that? Why would you write to them after they've told you severally that they want to increase the rent? Why? Now see.
Babe, come on, do I need to tell you? The new rent they came up with, it's just outrageous. It's out of this world.
If you had invested your energy in making money, we will not be here. If you've invested your time, your energy, your resources into making money, you will not be talking about an exam. Now see the condition we're in. Are you not tired of moving up and down? Me, I'm tired. If you're not tired, I am tired. I've lost my shoes, my pictures, my clothes, because every time they want to move our properties, someone must take something from me. I'm tired.
Anyways, you should have a look at the letter.
What do you want me to do with it? What should I do with it? Hey. Jesus Christ.
Michael, what about the apartment you showed me? Is it not ready? I really need to leave this place, please.
It is still not vacant. The occupant, who is my junior colleague at work, hasn't moved out yet. What if you get the house and madam refuses to move in?
That's her business, oh. That is her business. By the way, the apartment you showed me is even way better than this one. So if she doesn't like it, that is her business. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? I just wish the apartment was vacant.
How long do you have there?
Less than 2 months.
Wow. I'll keep putting pressure on my colleague at the office.
Please, please, please. I really appreciate that, okay? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hi. Woo! I feel good. Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na. I know that I will. Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na. Baby, I feel good. Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na. I know that I will pass. Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na. I'm coming. Before you look at me like someone that's gone crazy, I'm coming. Check this out. So good. Bam, bam, so good. I passed my professional exam. I feel good. Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na. I know that I will. Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na. I feel good. Are you not happy for me?
Gosh. Sorry, I'm asking. Is it that you don't have sense? I mean, it's obvious you're going to pass the exam, but you're not smart. This intelligence we're talking about, how much has it brought for us? Rather, we went from grace to grass. In fact, we're at the bottom level of whatever is going on. And you're happy you passed an exam? You feel good, but it's because you're still seeing food in the pot. One day you will come back, there will be no food in this house. Then I'll know if you will still feel good. Get out, I beg. Shift.
You said we are one, but you know with me all alone, oh na na. I give you my all, but you give me nothing, all alone, all alone. Oh my word, when the going gets good, you smile. But when the going gets hard, you frown. Oh, no, no. When the going gets good, you smile. But when the going gets hard, you frown.
Ah, good day. How you doing? Yeah, I was at your office earlier today, but I was told the lawyer handling this property initially has been moved by the landlord, thereby appointing a new lawyer.
Actually, he didn't resume work on time.
I would have said, because I waited. I had to go.
Okay, he asked me to give you these documents.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Hope they've made some changes.
Go through it yourself.
All right, you too. God, what is the meaning of this? What is it? Hello, bros! What is this now? Why are people so wicked like this? Why are people wicked? If I take this case to the court now and tell the judge, they will give me extra 6 months before I leave this place. Then these people will come and say I'm wicked. Can you imagine? What is the difference between what the other barrister brought and what this barrister is bringing? The new barrister said, wait. This new barrister Osas Onyekwe. Osas Onyekwe. Osas Onyekwe.
What is it? Why are you screaming?
Adesua, who are you? Who are you? Or better still, who did I get married to?
What kind of question is that?
Adesua, how could you? How could you be this wicked? Adesua, what is the meaning of this? How? Adesua, so all this while I've been living with my landlady. So, my God, I am losing it. Adesua, so you've been my landlady all along, and I've been toiling, worried sick, having sleepless nights, thinking about how to raise this house rent, thinking about how to feed my family. Jesus. Adesua. And to think that I was even complaining to my wife about the outrageous price of this apartment, not knowing I was complaining to my own landlady. Hey, I was complaining to my landlady, not my wife. Adesua, you are wicked. You are wicked and you never contributed 1 penny to help my situation. You are heartless.
Let me explain.
You should go for deliverance. You are evil. What?
Let me explain.
Adesua, I've been suffering all this while. You've never supported me. You mentally derailed me. Adesua, why? Why? What did I do to you?
I can explain.
Adesua, shut up! Shut up! You want to explain now because I've caught you. All these months, you didn't explain. You want to explain now. Adesua, why? Have I ever wronged you? Adesua, all these years we've been married. Have I ever done you bad? Why? Why, Adesua? Adesua, the agent you sent, the new barrister you appointed, Osas Bakari, my friend from university days, a very vibrant lawyer who knows politics just like me. I saw his signature. He has a very unique signature. Look at it. Look at it. I went to the office and saw that he was the one. We got talking and he told me that you own this house and another house at Beggar. Wait. Okay. Excuse me. Adesua. So that investment that you told me about, that I did, I thought went down the drain. So that money, it's that money you used to buy this house and the other one at Beggar. Adesua, you are wicked. Adesua, you are a demon. You need to go for deliverance because you are a witch. To fear. Adesua, to fear. How come? Adesua, what? Adesua, you are wicked. You are wicked. Say this house. Eat this house, eat it. Eat it. I am leaving this house for you. No, I am leaving this house for you.
Let me explain, please.
If you come near me, if you come near, I promise you I will do something I will regret. It's your house now, to the landlady. Enjoy your house.
No. That was not the
Enjoy
plan.
it.
No, baby, please wait. Baby, wait.
I said, if you touch me,
Jesus.
I do not want to do something I will do. If you touch, I will beat. If you touch me, just stay. Landlady, just stay. Stay.
Baby, wait now. Wait, let me explain to you. Okay, Mama. Hey, my love. You know what I want you to do? Go on your bath, okay? I'll join you soon.
Okay.
Hello, Shade. Yeah, we are home now. Thank you so much. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Mom,
Yeah, baby.
where is Dad? I didn't see him inside.
Huh? Mama, Daddy, he traveled.
When is he going to come back?
Very soon. Daddy.
When?
Mama, I don't know, but he's coming back very soon, okay?
But I want to see Daddy.
I know. I miss Daddy too. Okay? Go in. I'm coming.
But I want Daddy to beat me.
You want Daddy to bait you? I'm here for you, okay? So go in.
But I really want to see Daddy.
Fine, Mama. Be a good girl for goodness sake. Let's go. Be a good girl. That's my girl. Now let's go to the bathroom.
You said we are one, but you know with me all along, all along. Oh na na, I give you my all, but you give me nothing. All along, all along. Oh my word, when the going gets good, you smile, but when the going gets hard, you frown. Oh na na. When the going gets good, you smile, but when the going gets hard, you frown. Oh my baby, reason with me, walk with me. Oh my baby, my darling, reason with me, walk with me. Now I know that all you did, you did for a reason. Yeah. But all the same, it won't take away my love for you. Oh my word, when the going gets good, you smile, but when the going gets hard, you frown. Oh my word, when the going gets good, you smile, but when the going gets hard, you frown. Oh my baby, reason with me, walk with me.
Mommy, when is Daddy coming back? You said that he traveled.
Mama, he'll be back soon, okay?
When?
Soon. Go and change your uniform.
Does it mean he doesn't want to be answering my calls? Does this really mean my marriage is over? Hello, Mommy. Mommy, I'm finished. I don't know what else to do. He's not taking my calls. Mommy. Okay, ma. Okay.
How are you, my son?
Hello, Mama. Good day.
I am happy you still regard me a mother to have called me Mama. Listen to me, my son. Adesua called me yesterday night, but it was too late to call you.
Mama.
My son, please, listen to me.
With all due respect, ma. Please. I do not want to hear anything that has to do with that woman. I am done. Please.
It's okay, dear son.
Thank you.
You said we are one, but you know with me all along, all along. Oh, I give you my all, but you give me nothing.
My daughter, this is not an easy task. Tony doesn't want to even hear me mention your name at all.
Hey.
You were really mean to him.
I know. I think I got carried away and I am sorry. I'm sorry. I need my husband back.
He is really hurt for him to have moved out without his child. He doesn't want to be near you again.
Mama, I know. He mentioned. I just want to correct everything and go back to how things were.
We take good people for granted. We will keep pleading with him to have a change of heart. Let's hope he listens at some point.
Okay, Mom. Thank you, Ma. I'll try and dial his number. God. What was I thinking? How did I get this carried away? How?
Oh, my baby, reason with me, walk with me. Oh, my baby, my darling, reason with me, walk with me. Oh, my baby, reason with me, walk with me. Oh, my darling,
Oh God, he's busy my calls. Okay, I'm trying.
Please check the number and try again. Thank you.
One more time.
Who you are trying to call does not exist. Please check the number and try again. Thank you.
Yes! What's going on?
What's going on? Yeah. Yes. Yes, now. Come on, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? I'm made now. Yes. No. I need to call Michael. My day one. I need to call Michael. My guy. My G. Man, he was there for me. God damn it. Thank you, Jesus. Hello, bro. Hey, yo, guess what? Oh, so you know by the sound of my voice, I got the job, my man. See, whatever you're doing right now, leave it. Yes, bro, my day one starts in 2 days, I'm telling you. Listen, bro, whatever you're doing right now, stop it. We need to celebrate. I need to spoil you small. Yeah, you've been there for me, so I need to show you one or two love. So just come to my hotel. I'm waiting for you. Alright? What? Leave that in. Leave whatever it is you. I don't explain. Don't explain. Just leave whatever you're doing and come. Okay, I say come. There is money. What are you talking about? There is come on, John. Stop this thing. Stop this thing. Come here. Let's go out and merriment.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening, my daughter.
Mom, have you been able to talk to him?
No.
No?
He still doesn't want to talk about your issue.
Mom, it's been almost a month. How is it possible that he has not picked his calls for 1 month? Mommy, I think I've lost him.
I wonder the extent you went, because I know Tony is a very good man.
Mommy, I pushed him too hard. I overdid it, and honestly, I wish I could turn the hands of time because I am sorry.
I understand you, my daughter, but I wonder what would push you to be that mean to Tony when you married him. I believe it was my answered prayer because you needed a very good gentleman. God gave you that and you took him for granted.
Mommy, I took him for granted. Mommy, I don't know. I took his love for me for granted. And I am really sorry. I'm really sorry. I just wish he could give me one more chance. One more chance to redeem myself, and I promise I'm going to do it right this time around.
I hope you didn't realize that a little too late.
Mommy, please help me. Please, I'm begging you, help me. This whole house is empty without him. I don't know what I'm doing here. I've lost my sanity. I don't just know. I can't think anymore. Please, Mom. Please. Thank you, Mom. Okay, Ma, bye. God. Oh, God.
Why didn't you tell me? Why?
Sorry.
Your mother called me again. She told me everything. How your dad physically and emotionally abused her to the point that he almost killed her. She had to run away when you were still a teenager. Why would you keep something like that away from me?
It was a toxic marriage. My father would beat my mom literally every day. And if I tried to intervene, he would hit me too. My mother was jobless. We were living in my dad's mercy. And I honestly promised myself I would do better, I would be better. So when I had my first serious relationship, I showed him everything that I had. And he took advantage of it.
Babe, come. Come close now. Come. How far now? Where the money? How far the money? The money never ready.
Yeah, it's not yet complete.
Babe, time no day. The immigration people then they call me. Time no day. We need to jack back together. I need to carry you along. I need you by my side. No time. Your own is just 5 million. My own is 7 million. My own is already complete.
Okay. Really? How?
Yes, now my uncle came through for me.
Oh, that's nice. But baby, my own is not yet complete.
Baby, I can't leave this country without you. I need you by my side. Now me and you, they go US together. Now, bro, though. Abba, I need you by my side. Yes, I can't do without you there. So I need you. I need you to be by my side. Anything what they do, make you just run. I'm sharp. Time no day.
Okay, baby, I'll source the money.
Please, you need to. It's necessary. Okay. I they come, make adjust peace. Time no day. Make adjust peace. I'm coming. Okay. Bring the money, sharp. No time.
I was craving for love since my father made childhood hell for me. I gave him the money. A few days later,
Yes, sir, please. Yeah, please just wait for me. Let me change into something else. Yes. My boyfriend actually, he has left and I've given him the 3.5 million. It's just remaining the 1.5 you want to give me. Okay, sir, let me change what I'm wearing. I'm coming. Yes, sir.
where are his things?
Please check the number and try again. Thank you.
Switched off.
How is this possible? You call a second line.
Please check the number and try again. Thank you.
Okay. No, it's not what I'm thinking. It's not what I'm thinking. Is it? That's the part I didn't tell my mom. Because I didn't want her to be worried. Now that I've talked about it, I feel a lot better. I should be the one apologizing. I was hurt by others, but I bled on you.
It's okay. I'm so sorry for what you went through in your past. But listen to me. Hey. I am not your ex-boyfriend. And I am not your father. I am your husband. And you know my story. How I came from a broken home. And I wouldn't want that for my child. Reason I had to endure everything and work towards raising a better home, a better family. So my kids don't have to go through what I went through. And you don't have to go through what you went through with me. Okay?
Sorry.
It's okay. It's fine.
I love you.
I love you too. I love you more. Okay?
You said we are one, but you know with me all alone, all alone.
But we still have a little problem.
What is it?
I still haven't found a job yet.
I will. I'm here for you. Okay?
I believe you now. I've missed you.
I miss you too.
Reason with me, work with me. Oh my baby, my darling. Reason with me, work with me. Now I know that all you did, you did for a reason.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. I say hello to mommy.
Hi, Mama. How was school today?
School was great.
Have you finished your food?
Yes, but I'm hungry.
You're hungry. Don't worry, Mama made something very special for you.
I want my dad to cook for me.
Oh, is that so?
Yes.
Ah, baby, I got you.
Mwah.
You don't want Mama's food, you want Daddy's food.
Not like that. I just want to eat daddy's food.
Yeah. She has your food all the time. At least for once in a while, she should have mine.
Baby, did you tell her to say that?
What? No.
You know I don't trust you.
Did I tell you to say that?
Nope.
See?
Fine. Okay, come have your shower. Daddy will cook for you.
I don't need mama. What do you want to eat, mother? Have this?
Okay, salad.
Salad. And what else?
Chicken.
Chicken and juice. I got you. I got you. Okay? Salad, chicken, and juice. Just go change it. Hey, baby.
Hi, Papa. You're welcome, baby.
Thank you, baby.
Love you.
Love you too. All right, baby. I'm coming, okay?
Okay, sweetie. Okay, Mama. Keep that. Yum. All right. Hey, honey. Good morning.
Morning, beautiful. How are you?
I'm fine. You look nice.
Oh, really? Oh, thank you. I did try. Thank you.
Where are you going to?
Just one of the offices I freelance.
Okay. Yeah. Where's Sandra?
Oh, I already took her to school.
Ah.
Yeah.
I overslept. I'm sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. You're not going to work today?
My leave starts today.
Oh, yeah, that's true. My bad. Got you. That reminds me. Sandra's tutor spoke to me about her starting an extramural class. So, I'm thinking, whatever I get from work today, I'm going to follow her to school tomorrow and pay for it.
No, it's fine. I'll call the teacher and pay. Okay? It's okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, of course.
Come here.
Baby, I'm not brushed.
I love you.
I love you more.
All right. You gotta go.
Okay, sweetie. Okay.
You like this one?
Yes.
Hi, sweetie.
My darling.
My turn. Shift, mama.
Come here, baby.
Hey, sweetie.
I love you. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Welcome.
Thank you very much.
How was work?
Oh, work was good. Work was great. How was the day?
It was great.
How was school?
School was great.
Hey, baby.
Hey, my love.
So, did you pay for the extramural class?
Oh, yes, I did. I actually paid for 3 terms.
For 3 times?
Mm-hmm.
I like this new version of you.
So how was it? The freelancing job?
Well, you know, it was just there. I was able to get some money today. I'm taking it one day at a time. Yeah.
As you should. But please, put the money aside, okay? I don't want you using your money.
Is this my wife? Or is this someone else?
Okay. Just freshen up, okay? I'll serve you soon.
I'm hungry.
I know. Mama, hold on. Daddy wants to freshen up. Sit here. Come on. You can take my phone. Sweetie. Okay.
She's sleeping already?
Yes, my love.
All right. Thank you, but you can keep this for now.
Okay. What?
Relax. Take it easy. Come here. I'd like to tell you something. So, some days after I left here for a hotel, I got a mail from a multinational leading company in the country, and they invited me for an interview. I went for the interview, and I got the job.
Oh my god, my baby! Oh my god, congratulations!
Thank you.
Honey, I am so proud of you. I'm so happy.
Oh,
Congratulations. Oh, thank God.
Thank you. Oh, I'm surprised. I thought you'd be mad that I didn't tell you.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
So I actually resumed work with them some days after. That's where I've been going ever since I came back. Not freelancing.
Really?
Sorry.
And you lied.
I wanted to tell you the day we reconciled, but...
But you decided not to tell me because you wanted to check if I've changed.
Guilty as charged. I mean, don't blame me.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, my love. That's not all.
Okay.
In addition to that, they gave me a house and a car. Not just any house, a duplex. A very big duplex.
Honey, are you serious?
I'm for real. I can show you the picture. It wasn't ready at the time, so they were preparing it. But now it's ready for us to move in. Look at it.
This house?
Yeah. Although we're still going to go. Oh my days.
Baby. I'm so happy for you.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to us.
Something just came to my mind right now.
What?
What if we ask the tenant to move out from the main building? We can just stay there. We must not move into this house.
No. I have a better idea.
Okay.
I think it's wiser if we move into the building the company gave to us, then put this one up for rent. It can still come in as our annual income. It's a wise decision.
Me? You're the boss.
Yeah.
Very easy.
And wait.
What?
Since I have another car, you can be driving the old one while I drive this one.
You're a darling.
I like you too.
Now I want to live inside your skin.
You want to live inside my skin. It's all yours, baby. It's all yours.
I love you.
I love you more, then more, then more. So now we can eat.
Of course, my king.
Gotcha. So let's pray. I'm waiting for you. Father, we thank you for this food and we pray as we eat it, you bless and sanctify it in the name of Jesus Christ. We pray.
Amen.
Amen. Bon appetit. Oh, this meat is huge, baby. I think I want to start with this meat one. It's okay, thank you.
No, honey. No, I have to cut it.
Just cut it.